Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen. This is another video on Python, and today's topic is that docstring in Python. What is docstring? Docstring in Python actually a literal which appears just right after the definition of the class or method or module or function. And we can access this docstring literal using the attribute underscore underscore doc underscore underscore, right? So go to the computer screen. Through Python ideally I will discuss today's video step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the Python IDE, and here I'm just write the code for Python docstring. What is Python docstring? Docstring is a string literal just appear after the definition of class or module or function or method, right? And it should be defined within a triple single quote or triple double quote, right? And it's also a single line or multi-line is concerned, right? And if we access this docstring, we should use the attribute underscore underscore doc underscore underscore. So I just write the code here, how to access and how to use this docstring in Python. I just write the code here, okay? Suppose at first we define a module, just write import numpy as np, and then we write some docstring here, just use triple double quote and just write here suppose numpy as np, okay? And then close this triple double quote, and then we use a class, suppose write class student, and also we are declaring a docstring here for class is concerned. Just write here class name is student, and then close this triple quote. And then we are using here a method, just write def get data and send as argument self, and then we use the method docstring here, just write within triple double quote, just write here method name is get data, close it using triple double quote. And then we use the normal statement within the print, just write here okay, and then close this double quote in this parenthesis, okay? And outside of the class we are instantiate the class, get the object s equal student open close, and just call this get data s dot get data. And if we save the file, suppose we put the name is example underscore docstring dot py, okay? And now if we run this code, just press F5. So what it display? Only display okay. Why? Because we don't call this docstring. If we call this docstring, we need the attribute underscore underscore doc underscore underscore, okay? So now we just write here print for module is concerned. At first write the module name np, because we are create the alias here for the numpy is concerned np. So just write np dot underscore underscore doc underscore underscore. Same way if we access the class docstring, just write student dot underscore underscore doc underscore underscore. And same way for method print student dot get data dot underscore underscore doc underscore underscore, then close it. Save this particular code within the same file example underscore docstring dot py, just run it, press F5. Now see okay, because we are accessing the method at first, that's why it print okay. At first it instantiate the class, then access the method get data and it print okay. Now this is a skews text is there. Skews means lots of data is given as the numpy module is concerned. So if we double click into there, so you got the lots of data provided to there for docstring is concerned of the module, and then it print the student dot underscore underscore doc underscore underscore this line class name is student, and student dot get data underscore underscore doc underscore underscore for method docstring in that way, right? So in that way you can access the docstring just appear after the definition of the module or class or the particular method, right? Now we write the docstring for any function where the object-oriented programming is no more exist, only the normal procedure program is concerned. So in that way we are defining only a function. Just write def, suppose just write get data, and then we suppose write the docstring in multi-line, suppose, right? So right here function name, and the second line just write is get data, then close this triple double quote, and now we just print the docstring only. So just write print get data dot underscore underscore doc underscore underscore, then close it, save it and run F5. Just see, it only print function name is get data. Why? Because this is a function, so don't need any class specifier because it's not a object-oriented programming, it's a just proceeding program is concerned. So we just define a function, and if you want to access the docstring of the function, we are using only the function name, then use dot, and then the attribute name is underscore underscore doc underscore underscore, right? And we can also write this docstring using single triple quote, right? If you save it and press F5, same result is there, right? Now one question is there, what the difference between comment and docstring? Like comment means we can define the comment in that way using the hash. The first column should be hash. Suppose right here function name is get data. So what the meaning of comment and what the meaning of docstring? Comment are human readable data which is not executable, right? Means interpreter doesn't read the line for execution is concerned, but docstring, when you write in a triple single quote or triple double quote, this is the part of the docstring and we can access it and the result should be shown in the terminal, right? So in that way you can define the docstring in Python. I hope you have understood today's video how to use docstring in Python and how we can access the docstring using a special attribute underscore underscore doc underscore underscore. If you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. So today up to this, thank you and bye bye.